Hey everybody, this is Alex with 239 Labs, providing your Week 9 update. Quick note, we are using our brand new podcast setup that's available here at 239 Work. We have 4 professional microphones, full professional setup. So if you're interested to utilize our equipment, we would be more than happy to have you as a member or non-member. Please just let us know and we can provide you information on that. With that being said, we've had a great week with the 239 Labs cohort. We had on Tuesday, we were joined by Loganoff Law. They presented on software IP, how to protect your intellectual property. It was great content. Really appreciated the time that they spent with us. In the afternoon, we focused more on the customer experience, post-sale, and ensuring not only that your customers have a great experience, but you're tracking the right metrics and you have the information that your investors or team members are looking for so that they can make decisions moving forward. On Thursday, we were joined by Steve Lau, a great entrepreneur out of Toronto. Steve shared his story on working through the exit with Field Edge, and then also his new startup, AutoLeap. I think that the startups took a ton away from it. I'm really happy to have him join us. That was then followed up by Jack Aldridge, sharing some feedback with. He took an opportunity to review some of the sales decks from the cohort, so providing some general feedback on best practices when putting these sales decks together. And then finally, we were joined by Mark Komanecki and Dave Damaris from Tailored, and they shared with us the story of going through the grant application process, how long it takes, what effort was required to do so. And then Mark shared some of his experience from the other side of the house, reviewing some of those grant grant applications and things that he was looking for when he was in that role. Another huge important note quickly. So we have a ton of events next week for Global Entrepreneurship Week. We have an event on Tuesday and 2 events on Thursday. On Tuesday, we have Andre Plout, Human Machine, sharing on ethical product development, on Thursday, we have Daniel Fernandez talking about monetization of data. And then Thursday evening, we are running our virtual gala. It's a virtual world now, so we're running a virtual networking event where you'll have the opportunity to meet all of our startups, see their abbreviated pitches, learn more about 239 Labs and the content that we're providing, and then also learn about our next cohort, which is launching in February, and how you can get involved with that. So I really hope you can join us and attend. We'll include links in the comments section here on this content. So see you then. Looking forward to it. Have a great day. Your support, providing a 30-minute positive, and you're very integrated with the organization.
It's much less expensive to talk.
We're going to make a couple comments here and there. Programs to current clients or understand.
Improving the function of the computer.
Yeah.